Hello beautiful people, today we're going to be making spinach stew, spinach, egg and fish stew. Okay, so I have my 2-pound bag of spinach. I have 1 onion. This is salted tilapia. This is fish croaker. You can use whatever fish you want to. I have 5 eggs. I have tomato paste, and then olive oil, and then my spices and hot pepper. Okay, all right, so I'm about to, so this is my olive oil. It's on medium heat. It's on medium. I'm gonna start with my salted tilapia. It's called Kobe in Ghana. Makes your food taste good. And it gives it some kind of flavor, you know. I think, oh my Ghana people know what Kobe does to your food. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna fry it a little bit, and then we will put the eggs, no sorry, the onions in. Okay. So next thing I'm gonna go in is your onion. This is just 1 whole onion. See, somebody that like a little onion, you could do 1 1/2, you could do 2. So we're gonna let our onion and our Kobe or salted tilapia cook for about 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. So this is good. Now we're gonna add pepper to it. This is 1 teaspoon. It depends on your household. If the people in your household like pepper, you can add more. The people in my household, they do not like pepper at all. So I just put 1 teaspoon in and stir it, and then I'm gonna put my tomato paste in. I'm not gonna put all of it. I'm gonna put about half. Okay, so this would probably be about 1, maybe and a half when you buy the small ones. Tomato paste. Okay. And I don't think I'm gonna use all the spinach. I'm just gonna use maybe 3/4. All right, so I think tomato is cooked. I'm gonna add just about 1/2 cup of water. I think that looks like a 1/2 cup of water. Okay, I added about 1/2 cup of water already. So I added some water. I'm just add a little bit more. The tomato is cooked. I'm gonna add my spices. So ginger, whatever spices you have in your cabinets, you can use whatever you use to cook. Okay, it doesn't have to be this or that, just whatever you like. This is garlic powder. Okay, let's get it with your eyes. A little bit of this is Obe. I like Obe. And then a little bit of chicken bouillon. Okay, to enhance the taste. Like 2 little. This is what teaspoon. And then I'm gonna stir it. At this time, I'm gonna put my fish in for the fish to cook. All right. I'll put my. Oh, I'm sorry. A little bit of salt. Get it with your ice, and then we're gonna put our fish in. We're gonna cover it. We want our fish to cook. Okay. Fish to cook. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to help the fish cook quick. That's about 1/4 cup of water. And then it's gonna simmer. I'm gonna cover it. So I'm coming to check the fish. It's cooking nicely. Make sure that when you put your fish in to cook, that you reduce your heat. Okay, reduce your heat so that the fish can cook real good. And come back again in about 3 minutes. Yeah, so our fish is nice and cooked. The next thing we're gonna put in is our eggs. I'm gonna turn on the heat a little bit. And then after the eggs is cooked, the next thing that's gonna go in will be our spinach. So I'm gonna cover it so that it can cook, and I will be back. Rinse your bowl with water. I'll put it there. Okay. And then stir it nicely. Cover it and let it cook. Of course, on low heat. Okay. We'll be back after about 5 minutes. Yeah. So this is your finished product. Spinach, egg, and fish stew. You can eat it with rice. You can eat it with plantains. You can eat it with gari. You can eat it with eba. Eba is Nigerian dish. You can eat it with anything that you want. You can eat it by itself. Alright, peace out. Enjoy it. Try it and enjoy it. So, ladies and gentlemen, rice and spinach. Bon appetit.